Who's a famous classical musician? Mozart, okay. If I took one of Mozart's written pieces and I tried to play that versus Mozart himself playing it, it would be two different songs. It's the expression of the written song that matters. So epigenetics is the science behind how your genes express themselves. If you can somehow understand the biology behind aging, you can actually solve the root cause of a lot of various diseases.
The human body is a hugely complex system, and we can't just look at one little piece of information about someone at a time, right? We have to look at that layer in between your DNA and who we are.
We're interested in using data science and the potential it has to predict different aspects of someone's lifestyle and health and wellness.
FOXO is at the forefront of determining what we can actually do with epigenetics in terms of prediction and risk classification.
As people get their molecular health and wellness measured, we can track that and ultimately work to offer better lives for all.
You have to be able to programmatically analyze this data. So data science has been a key part of really expanding what this field, the field of epigenetics, is capable of.
The way that we operate is we want to identify really solid target variables and then feed that to our data science team. The steps are pretty simple. Spit into a saliva collection device, lyse all the cells, take the DNA out, wash them over a substrate that has DNA probes. If you have the right methylation sites in the right spaces, then it binds to these probes. And then you have an imaging device that is able to read and then distill that down into digital data.
We get 860,000 data points about them. We're trying to build hundreds of prediction models. We were really limited in the number we could create before DataRobot came around.
We were data sharing and screen sharing, and Randy opened up DataRobot, and I saw for myself the robots at work.
DataRobot was hugely instrumental in bringing its automated machine learning platform to bear for us. We upload our data set, we push a button, and it handles all of that engineering for us. Boom. We are confident out of DataRobot for every single health factor that we were trying to predict.
We've already proved to ourselves that the solve works. We have control of our destiny by impacting our gene expression.
There's more to DNA than just genetics. We can look forward to uncovering some mysteries about the human biology system that we still don't know.
The answers that we find will be helpful to science and society at large, and will only lead to the improvement of all of our products and our predictions.